See at the very top of that typical warehouse, what's up there? Clock. Why do we have a clock on our typical warehouse? Well, in the 1900s, it was a luxury to own a watch. This way, people knew what time it was and what time to report to work. See, in Chicago, you don't need that fancy Apple Watch. You just look up on our buildings, you can see the time. Now, over here to your right, look at this, 300 North LaSalle. This is a LEED Platinum building. It's like the Oscars of movies for buildings. Now, this building does not have air conditioning. Can you imagine working there today? Well, how they cool the building, they take the river water all the way to the top of that building. It flows through the building and cools it. Now, when that river water comes back into the river, it's warming up the river water. And how many different types of fish do we have in our river? 77. You guys, well done for a Tuesday. Yes, so we still do that with this building, not our newer buildings, because we are concerned about our fish. Coming up on your right, this is a merchandise mart. Look at this. It's Art Deco style of architect. See the vertical lines? They draw your eyes to the top. You see the setbacks in the ornamentation. This was built in 1930. It's 4.5 million square feet. You're like, how big is that building, Justine? It takes up 5 acres of land. It's so large, it used to have its own zip code, 60654. Now there's one building that's larger, it takes up more space. It's in Washington, D.C., starts with a P. I heard someone say it, Pentagon. Well done. Now, who knows who Marshall Fields is? Like a department store, right? Like a Macy's, a Nordstrom. He wanted all 14 warehouses under one roof. He paid $30 million, 1930. 1942, he owed some back taxes in Chicago. My locals on the boat, Illinois, second highest property taxes in the United States. Anybody on the boat from New Jersey? You're number one, sir, in the back. Yes, get excited back there. 1942, he sold the building $13 million to the Kennedys. Kennedy sold it. 1998, $575 million. Not a bad return on investment. Now, the Kennedys own Wolf Point today. That's their new sales force. They're sunbathing out there on the 14th floor. And this, that's residential. This is Salesforce. New building, still working on it. Not completed yet, but workers are in there. Now, this is where Chicago was found. The Native Americans came to Chicago, opened their first trades and tavern. They called it Chicagua. Anybody know what Chicagua stands for? My locals know. Strong, stinky,